We're here in Basella, Spain for the KTM EXC launch model year 2020, and we chose this great location because of its variety in riding and of course its amazing scenery. We have extreme enduro sections, we have a cross test, we have the forest and lots of stony sections, making it absolutely ideal for our journalists to test out our new range of enduro models. Off-road is really at the core of KTM. In fact, KTM has a lot of success in its long history of enduro racing, and we've been setting the benchmark in enduro year upon year. This new generation raises the bar again. For model year 2020, we have a full lineup of new generation 2-stroke and 4-stroke machines. We also have the 6 days models, and we have the KTM 300 EXC TPI Erzberg Rodeo model. KTM's enduro models are ready to race right out of the crate, and that's because they're developed in racing, for racing, and taking on the most extreme conditions. At the launch, we had our factory riders join us to spend some time with our journalists and to give some insights onto their involvement in the development of this latest generation of EXC.
Can you do the very good even better? Yes, you can if you're KTM.
I'm always surprised how much effort KTM puts into their new collection. They are so far ahead and still they keep pushing.
Big changes from the other ones. Yeah, more stiff, more powerful overall, all the bikes.
Engine is like more controllable.
Bikes are really easy to ride.
Radiators being lowered, back of the bike being slimmer and so on.
The ergos, the seat, you know, the mods that they've done to those things just make things so streamlined and just so easy to move around on. You can really focus on your riding.
The biggest surprise is the suspension on these bikes, stock. Bikes this year are such a huge improvement over the last few years that I've had a cracking day riding.
What can I say? They are excellent. Difficult to find some defaults.
It's amazing bikes.
Simply awesome.
The harmony with the engine and the suspension, it's very well.
The bikes are far more balanced. In particular, the action of the fork. Some of those rocks we rode over today were the size of babies' heads, and you could really just power on over those.
Really feel the new sensation of the new chassis and the suspension package. It makes you feel more safe on the bike.
Definitely better handling, and I prefer the new throttle response and how the power is delivered. An amazing traction I found on both 2-stroke and 4-stroke, especially going uphill on the wet.
So the big thing for me is the 150. It's so easy to manage, it feels like a fast mountain bike. It's not intimidating, it's light, and it's improved my riding, and that's what I've enjoyed the most.
A good improvement in handling, good improvement in the performance of the engine. I really enjoy a really great fun day. So congratulations.